Okay, so I'm going to talk a little bit about the site setup footprints. These are footprints that are related to on-site factors. That means the content or things or plugins or anything like that's related to the website that can be detected through the website, through the hosting of the site, the on-page content, and the backend, like the actual functionality and the plugins and things that drive the site. The first one is mass redirection of using 404 of all the not found pages. You don't want to do that. If you have 100 pages that are all like 404 errors and then you redirect them all to the home page, that's a footprint. So you don't want to do that. You don't want to do extreme bot blocking. That's also very, very important, but it's not that critical because you can block, go ahead and block like 200 bots, 300 bots. But I try and vary that file so that the different bots, the bot blocking code that you use. So if you don't block the same 250 bots across all the PBN sites, right? Because that's a common footprint. Because especially if you use a robots.txt file, which I talk about over here, so you're blocking the same 250 crawlers across your entire PBN, right? And you're using the same robots.txt command to do that. So that's a footprint. So you don't want to do that. Don't use the same plugins on all your sites. If you're using, say you have 25, 30 plugins and they're all common across all your PBN sites, that's a footprint. You don't want to use the same themes on all the sites. Again, you don't want to use the same theme, even though the theme has different templates in them. That's something you shouldn't be doing. Don't use the same analytics code. Firstly, you shouldn't be using Google Analytics, but if you do decide to use it, you could use it once in a while, but I think it's a little tacky to use, and don't take the risk. So, but if you do use anything like StatCounter or GetClicky or any other analytics third-party software tool, and they give you some code, and you put that code, the same code across all your PBN sites, and Google can read that code. So that's dangerous. That's a footprint. Don't use the same affiliate code. Suppose you have some of these PBN sites that you want to use also for some affiliate traffic or some affiliate offers, and you go and use the same affiliate code on all the sites. That's going to leave a footprint, right? So that's again an on-site feature. I talked about robots.txt. Okay, and then there's this is really obvious, but don't use the same author name on all your sites. Don't use the same name, right, across all your different sites. Just try and vary it. It's not that difficult. Don't do that. That's going to leave a big footprint. And don't use quick 2-minute setup sites. Just set them up and just slap them and just not work on them, right? Don't build any social profiles. Don't do any other activity. Don't do any customization. Quick 2-minute sites that you use a duplicator plugin to set up and then you don't go and customize them. That itself is bad, and that will sort of leave a huge footprint for your entire PBN network if you do that across multiple sites. Okay, with that said, I'm done with the site setup footprints, and I will see you in the next video.